Online safety is no longer a distant concern. It is a global emergency. Today, 1 in every 3 internet users is a child. In addition, across the world, too many children face cyberbullying, harassment, exploitation, trafficking, gender-based violence, hate speech, and even economic abuse. These risks follow them into their homes, their schools, and into the palms of their hands. In this global reality, Pakistan faces a particularly urgent challenge. According to data from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, Pakistan ranks among the top 3 countries worldwide in reports of online child sexual abuse material. Real children, whose safety, dignity, and futures must be protected. Addressing such complex risks requires far more than awareness. It demands strong national systems, specialized skills, updated laws, and coordinated action. Most of all, it requires every part of society: governments, private sector, educators, parents, communities, and young people themselves to work together. In Pakistan, this collective effort has been steadily gaining strength. The government of Pakistan, supported by UNICEF and key partners, has shown clear political commitment to confronting online harms. A major milestone was the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Amendment, which for the first time criminalized online grooming, solicitation, and cyberbullying, marking an important step towards stronger legal protection. PTA and partners developed a caregiver's guide to help parents understand digital risks and learn practical ways to keep children safe, emphasizing that protection begins with communication, trust, and positive parenting. Both these knowledge products were launched during Internet Safety Month in February 2024. Pakistan still lacks complete, reliable national data. Awareness among parents is low. And most importantly, young people themselves are rarely included in conversations about their own online safety. To address these gaps, Pakistan joined Disrupting Harm 2, the most comprehensive study ever conducted on online child sexual exploitation and abuse in the country, provide evidence to shape new laws, policies, investigations, and prevention efforts. Capacity building efforts have also expanded. A unified national training package was developed with all partners, followed by a training of trainers session in Islamabad in June 2024, which is now cascading to provincial systems. Pakistan's journey is far from over, but the progress is undeniable. With stronger laws, better data, broader partnerships, and growing national commitment, Pakistan is taking meaningful steps to build a safer digital future for every child.